Comptroller and Accountant General's Department CAGD has made it easier for new employees to register on the E-Payslip system. Now, heads of units can give registration codes to employees through the ESPV system. To register on the E-Payslip system, ask the head of unit of your school, that is, the validator, to generate a registration code for you. After receiving the code, open your web browser and type in the search box E-Payslip and click Enter. Click on the link to open the E-Payslip site. Click on Register for E-Payslip. After filling in your information, click on Next to continue.